I'm bored. What do you want to do? Want to play tag? Sure. Who's it?
Yeah!
That was it last time. Wow, this is stupid. I'm not even gonna play. Wow. Wow. This is...
Uh-oh.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. Oh crap! Oh crap! Get it open! We're gonna die. Run! We're gonna run!
Help me!
Last words!
Run! You guys are my best friends.
And a couple last words. Johnny! Harrison was not the one who dropped your toothbrush in the toilet and then put it back without even washing it. It was me. Sorry.
A couple last words. Pull my finger. I need to say something too.
Come on, Scott. Come on. Come on. Come on. The gate! Stay open.
We're safe! We're alive! We did it! Yeah! Guys, I gotta go, but before I go, we gotta do one last thing. Dance time!
Woohoo! The wind has stopped! Alright, check it out! For now.
Hey, turn the music off!
No, we'll just keep it on.
Okay, alright, boys. This music's boring. Please subscribe to HappyMan2277. Woo!
Scott, you're still it, right?
No!
Thank you.